Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share how to clean and maintain this LG refrigerator. It is very essential that the fridge be cleaned regularly, both the interior and the exterior, especially the interior. You have to clean the interior, the shelves, the compartments, the door shelves, and also the magnetic seals so that the fridge performs efficiently. And above all, it's very important that you do cleaning regularly to avoid any undesirable odor inside the fridge. So, let me show my cleaning routine. So, I'm just going to remove this and clean the shelves. You can see the shelf is so spacious. These two are top one and the bottom are very spacious. In fact, I removed one more here. So I'm going to wash this under running water. I've removed all the shelves and I'm just cleaning this. First with slight soapy water, then I'll wipe it dry. So for this, I'm using this Scotch-Brite cloth, sponge cloth. You can see that similarly I'm washing all the other three. Just wash it with a sponge, soap sponge. I'll let it air dry and then wipe it and fix it. Now I'm going to remove the shells one by one. If it is fairly clean, you can just wipe it here itself. But you can see so this is how lift it. See, you can see the groove there. So it is sitting there actually. So just lift it and pull it out. And then because it's dirty, I'm going to wash it under running water. You have to be very careful while handling this glass. It is toughened glass, but even then, it's better to handle it carefully. Actually, this also can be slid out, slide and take out, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to clean this with little bit soap on the sponge. Always see to it that you don't have any other utensil in the sink. If you're going to wash it, or it safely take it to the bathroom and use a bigger place to keep this and wash, because it is glass, it can break, so you have to be very careful. If you are doubtful, it's better to keep it inside the fridge and wipe it with a wet cloth and then a dry cloth or a sponge. So now I'll remove the vegetable tray. For the vegetable tray, you have to hold it here and pull out. You can see that it's very spacious. And again, the same way, you will lift this. But this looks fairly clean, so I'm just going to wipe it. So I'm not pulling it out. You can actually do it like this. And you can see it's fairly clean here. So I'm just going to wipe it with this sponge cloth. So the whole interior I'm going to wipe it like this, the remaining part. It is 2-year-old, but it looks as good as new. Door open noise is also working fine. This is how you clean the interiors. Place it the same way as you have taken out. Then only the back side will go and fit in the groove. See, everywhere you can see the grooves are provided, and you can see there is one level you can adjust also. I'll fit back all the shelves, but before that I'll remove the pull-out tray. So you can see that this pull-out tray is also fairly clean, but I'll just show the mechanism of lifting it out. Slant it a bit to take it out. So the vegetable tray is also a bit dirty. Can also do with the wiping, but I'm going to wash it under water. Similarly, I'll clean the shelves and the interior of the freezer. Cleaning of exterior is very simple. You have to take care that we don't use any harsh material. Any soft cloth like this is better, so that there is no scratches formed on the shine and the finish of the door is maintained. Door and the exterior is maintained. Similarly here. So when you clean the fridge, you should also take care of the top portion. That will also have dust, so you have to clean that as well. You can see I just wiped here. It is dusty. So not only here, actually here on top of this place also, when you start cleaning the fridge, you have to consider everything inside, interior of the freezer, of the fridge, and all the exterior, and even on the top. So I've wiped dried the pull-out tray, and I'm going to keep it back. Similarly, I'll fit everything else. So now I'm going to keep the first shelf. Always remember to keep in as you remove it out. So the thicker portion of this is thicker than this. If you see, this is flatter. See this and see this. So this will go behind actually, so that this fits in the groove there. It goes and sits there firmly. I'll fit the others as well now. So this magnetic door seal also has to be checked regularly and cleaned. And this is the place where usually, if the fridge is not clean, you can get cockroach eggs. You can find them here. So this has to be checked and cleaned for any dirt or anything, so that it seals properly, so that the door closes properly. So regular cleaning of seals is also very important. Tell me how you liked the video, and share your thoughts in the comment section. And you can also write which other cleaning and maintenance video you'd like to see in my channel. Till my next video, it's bye from Bhuwana. Thank you.